In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Home button on Brave browser. If you're aiming for a cleaner, simpler toolbar in Brave, removing the Home button is a quick win. The Home button is the small house icon that sits near your address bar. It's designed to take you to a specific home page, but if you never use it or prefer a minimalist look, you can hide it in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. You'll be working entirely inside Brave's built-in settings, so there's nothing else to download or install. Look at the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon. It's sometimes called the Hamburger menu, and it opens Brave's main menu. Click that menu to reveal your options, then choose Settings. This takes you to the control center for how Brave looks and behaves. Once you're on the settings page, find and select Appearance in the left-hand sidebar. Appearance is where Brave groups all the visual options for your interface, including the toolbar, theme, and button visibility. If your window is narrow, the sidebar might be partially collapsed. Just expand it or scroll to make sure you can see Appearance clearly. Inside Appearance, look for the option labeled Show Home button. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. To remove the Home button from your toolbar, switch that toggle off. The change applies instantly, so you should see the house icon disappear from the top of your browser right away. If it doesn't, make sure Brave is not in full screen mode and that your toolbar is visible. Sometimes UI elements are hidden when the window is too small. Turning off the Home button doesn't erase your homepage settings, startup preferences, or bookmarks. It simply hides that one icon from your toolbar. If you ever decide you want it back, return to the same Appearance section and flip the Show Home button toggle back on. It's completely reversible. A quick note to avoid confusion. This setting is different from your new tab page or your startup pages. Disabling the Home button won't change what opens when you launch Brave or open a new tab. It only removes the shortcut icon itself. Also, these steps are the same on Windows, macOS, and most Linux setups, though wording may vary slightly with browser updates. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, go to the menu, head into Settings, choose Appearance, and turn off Show Home button. Enjoy the extra space and a tidier toolbar.